Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. I like to talk about makeup, and I love makeup, and I buy a lot of it, so what better place to talk about those things than on YouTube. So today's video is going to be about top 5s. I would like to start a series on my channel, start a series on my channel called Top 5 Bottom 5. So I really want to do like the top 5 products that I like in a certain category. Like for instance, tonight we're going to talk about nude lipsticks. I'm wearing one. I love them. They're some of my favorite things to wear. I am obsessed with them. I love nudes that I can wear both with a darker lip liner and just make my lips look like, oh wow, you know, yeah. But I also love nudes that I can just wear without a lip liner, nothing needed, just slap it on and go. That's it. I don't have a lip liner on. It looks pretty good. And this is Dose of Colors Cork. I'll show you. We'll start with it. Top 5 nudes for me. When I say nude for me, I mean things that are closer to my skin tone. Some of them are peachier, some of them are more terracotta based. These are my kind of nudes. Let's look at this first one. You guys see that? It is brownie. Like a brownie with slight touches of peach in the background. You know, just a little bit of something, like it's right there. It kind of fades into my skin almost. Get the camera to focus on it just on this. Maybe. But it's a brown nude, kind of fades into my skin, which is what I want in a nude for me personally. I want you to fade into my skin, look like me, or be more peachy. I'm a peachy nude, brownie nude, terracotta nude type girl. And that's a lot of type of nudes, right? Yeah. But let's go with the next one. You're gonna see a pattern here. The next one is Freckle by Nude Sticks, and it is more terracotta, but it's still pretty. It's just so pretty. It's right here. That freckle color. So pretty. And it's one of their magnetic matte lip colors. I love Nude Sticks. I love the formula. You know, it says it's matte. It does dry down to be deeper, like to be more, a little bit deeper, but also a little bit more matte to your lips, and it's not going anywhere after it does that. But they're also just so good. This one was made in collaboration with Samantha Ravindal from here on YouTube, and it's just a good color. It's freckle. Perfection. You can't have a nude lipstick video without talking about a MAC lipstick. And I know MAC has a mass number of nudes, and I love a lot of them. Touch, Verve, Whirl with a good lip liner. I love a lot of them. But the one that I love probably all year round the most is Persistence. And it is one of those peachy matte nudes that I love. I've worn the tip down a good bit, and it's just perfection. Like, you can't go wrong with Persistence. It is going to be this color over here as it rolls away. Set it up. Okay. It's right here. Nope, that's Freckle. Go over that way. There we go. Persistence is just such a peachy nude matte color. It's just so good. It's just a good color. I like it. It's my perfect peachy nude. The next color is from Sephora. See this little cute little packaging with cookies all on it. It's so cute. These are from their lip stories sections, and this one is called Yum Yum. It looks super brown in the tube, it really does, but it really is just like, it's also peachy brown on my skin too. All these gonna kind of fade into my skin, guys, I'm not gonna lie. That's why I like them. This is Yum Yum on the bottom down there. It is very pretty. It's Yum Yum right there. Cork right here on the outside. Freckle more toward the middle, and Persistence on this end right here. They're really good. Now, these two are from ColourPop. They are their lippy sticks. I'm going to show you both of them because I love both of them. I love wearing them together. I love wearing them mixed in with other peachy colors to make my perfect peach look. Oh, my hands got lotion. This is, I've worn it so much it's down off in the bullet, guys. It's so good. And you know how long it takes to use a lippy stick. Well, you might not. But this is Grunge. It is a cooler tone, deeper nude. And then, well, if I don't break my neck, I'll break the stick. This is Taurus. Now, Taurus was made in collaboration with Kathleen Lights, and they tend to keep their collaborations around forever, so they probably still have it. Let's be real. Alright, so this is Grunge, the cooler nude, and this is Char's, a very warm brown nude. And I love that. I love how warm it is, which makes it pair easily with like a lipstick like Persistence in the middle. Just pop in the center of your lips and you got some new colors. Guys, this video is going to be short this week because I really just want to talk about the top lipsticks that I like. I did say top 5, but Grunge and Char's are from the same brand and they're the same line and they're pretty close in color. So I just snuck that little 6th one in there. But guys, if you're looking for a nude and you want one, check out one of these colors. I'm in W43 most days in the summer. I wear Macallan this summer. I also wear Laura Mercier 470 in the summer. That's my summer shades. I say summer because winter those shades will change, but I will also have perfect matches in the winter for you. So I may talk about perfect matches for me, foundations, like top 5 best match foundations for me in the next video. I think that'll be a good thing, so you can kind of see kind of what skin tone I'm at, what kind of tone I like for my skin, because I found a really good match in today's foundation, and it is the CoverGirl matte foundation they just released not too long ago, and now I'm D15 Warm Tawny. Stay tuned for some foundations pretty soon. Top 5 foundations pretty soon, maybe. But I'll see you guys around. Leave a comment below what's your favorite nude lipstick. Like, what's the nude that if everything disappeared, you would only want to wear that one and you would be okay just wearing that one. For me, that one is MAC Persistent. I just can't. It's a good color. It's matte, but the matte's not too dry. It's my perfect nude. So what's yours? Tell me below. See you guys around. Bye.